Okay, Roxy.
No camera again.
Mixed reactions is greeting the judgment from the Supreme Court. Now, supporters of the People's Democratic Party are in a jubilant mood. They never expected it, and they've been gifted with this news from the Supreme Court. While the supporters of the All Progressives Congress are in shock. A drive through the streets of Yenagoa will show Bayelsans standing in clusters discussing the implication of this judgment, which most people have described as a die-minute judgment. For most people, they are saying, why now? Why less than 24 hours to the inauguration? Now, few minutes ago, just this morning, the flag bearer of the All Progressives Congress and Governor-elect, before the Supreme Court judgment, that is, Governor-elect of Bayelsa State, Chief David Lyon, was standing here, rehearsing for his inauguration tomorrow. While that was going on, these people were setting up the stage for the inauguration. Now, with the announcement from the Supreme Court, they are dismantling their equipment. They have all been duly paid, all in preparation for the inauguration that is supposed to take place tomorrow, Friday, 14th February 2020. But that is no longer happening, as the Supreme Court judgment has made it clear that Chief David Lyon will not be sworn in tomorrow as the governor of Bayelsa State. The question on the lips of most Bayelsans is, what led to this judgment? Why is this judgment coming now? They are begging for answers. We're here in Bayelsa State and we'll be giving you every development that comes out of this judgment. Dobra Timiwood, Channels Television News.
Alright.